Hi, this is Connie. Welcome to How to Learn to Play Chopin's Prelude in A, Opus 28, number 7. This is our final video. We are on the last phrase of the piece right here. We did this high point of the piece, then it's just starting to tone down a little bit. The notes are on a descending trajectory here going down. This is the final, probably the most important phrase of the piece is how you end. So let's move to the piano and take a look. Okay, here's where we ended on the 7th phrase. We did this descending. It's hanging right there, very dominant sounding. Okay, so for the left hand, we go down to a low A, the one that you can't even see in the camera, and then come up to the E octave with an A in the middle. And we end just on the A and the E. No E on the bottom. Because we want the root now to be A. We end on A. It's in the key of A. The bottom note has to be an A. So A, this is an E on the bottom, and then an A. Not too hard. Okay, the right hand, we were on this right now. Now we come down to 1 and 3 on D and G sharp. And I play 1 and 5 on B and D. And I just slide forward because this comes down to a C sharp. You can do either 4 or 3. I'll probably do a 4. Okay, now here has a little grace note. So you're going to play this A really quick and then hold it for... It's almost like that roll that we did, that it's just part of that next note. That A comes maybe not quite as fast as the roll, but it's almost on the exact same count. And that holds all the way to the end. Then you just add in these top 2 notes, C sharp and A. So here we are. Okay, let's get set up a little bit. Okay, putting that together, I'll show you where the pedal goes. Right here, pedal down. Now pedal up and down after you play this A. And then end up here. See how it's not a big down? It's not a big downward ending. It actually ends a little bit up higher. That's why we take off those and just, it went the big thing, then the notes kind of came down. And now we're going back up and ending softly. There's a diminuendo, so you get softer at the end. Here's that last phrase one more time. All right, get that perfect, get it memorized. Then you've got the whole thing. Good job. All right, it's been great doing this with you. Congratulations on learning this piece.